I got this. I got this. Hey, girl. Hey, kitties. So today I'm going to be doing a devil makeup look. Honestly, ow. I hit myself in the face. I have the washer going. Should I stop it? How do you stop a washer in mid-cycle? What if all my clothes are like covered in soap? I'm drunk. Okay, you guys, the alcohol just sitting right here. If you guys want to, you know, go out for Halloween as a devil, you can refer back to this video and be a devil. Now, last year, I was like, okay, sorry. I'm trying to be serious. Last year, I bought this costume. I still have not unboxed it. Still. I don't even know what size it is. Extra small. Not gonna fit. Not gonna fit, bitch. Last year, I was like, I'm gonna do a devil-inspired makeup look. Never did. Until now. Okay. Oh, cute. Oh, this is cute, actually. Oh, this is cute. So, here, let me put it on. Ow, I cut my neck. Ow. Oh my god, me bleeding out on camera. Oh shit, it fit. Oh shit. This looks like the worst thing that's ever went on my body. Oh. Okay. I'm the devil. Oh no, my makeup brush. Okay, did you guys know that Kim Kardashian's talent is picking things up with her toes? Well, me too, bitch. I got this thing from Walmart. I want to be a scary devil though. I don't want to be a sexy devil. This looks like, ooh, sexy devil cleavage. No, bitch. I want to be like scary. Like, don't come talk to me at the bar. You know what I mean? Like, stay away. I'm just gonna grab this red. So I'm just gonna put this red into, oh my god, it's like working. Okay, so we just put it on. And trust, I've had shots. This breaking me out right before Halloween. Let me do a shot. Can I show you what we're chasing with this great afternoon? Pickles. I actually might be this devil for Halloween. I used to be able to do shots like a champ, and now I suck. So pickle juice has been my friend. Okay, good for me. This is disgusting. It's the most disgusting. I know, like, the thing is, like, some people like to look like hot and sexy. Me. I mean, I like to look a baddie on Halloween. You know, Halloween's supposed to be scary. Ow, I put it in my eye. Ow! Make sure to blend out your neck. I look like Carrie. Oh, they're all gonna laugh at you. Literally me in high school. They're all gonna laugh at you. I'm using all this red. You know, put it on your eyebrows as well so it blends in. Look at me. Oh my god, I look like a devil. I can't. I'm so excited. This is non-toxic, right? I look scary. I'm like drunk. I don't even know. Also, be safe on Halloween, everyone. How do I set it? Like with red eyeshadow? Like this? This is how I said it. Oh my god, my boobs bouncing. I look like Insidious. What do I do now? So next, we need black eyebrows because we're a devil. Black. Should I make them pointy? Like a little Nicky? Yup. Bye. On our under eye right here. All right. I got the Jeffree Star cremated palette. Yeah, I bought it. What of it? Oh my god, I'm like really drunk. Like, what am I supposed to do tomorrow? Trust me, pickle juice, the best chase. I'm sorry about this. If he was any kind of smart, he would make a black and a cremated, and he is smart. Everyone unsubscribing from me. He made it called hearse, as he should. It hit me. Jeffree Star, I'm suing you. Also, my friends told me to come out tonight. Like, are you kidding me? Looks so good. Holy shit. Like, blend it out. Let's talk about for a second. Actually, like, let's be serious for a second. What devil movie can you please leave it in the comments down below? What devil movie is your favorite movie? I would say Devil. Now, I'm not trying to be like funny. Devil is such a good movie. It's all based in an elevator, and it's such a good movie. You guys need to watch it. Oh my god, I'm doing so good. Look at that. Bitch, this was like lipstick on. This is Kylie Jenner's lipstick. Oh, is that an interference? There. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, shit. Why? Wait, why don't Jeffree Star and Kylie Jenner like each other? Because they're both successful? Or no, that's probably not it. Them not even knowing who I am. Ow. Okay. Oh. Oh my god, that looks terrible. And I take the black. There is a real ass fuzz on it here, and I'm not kidding. Do you see that? There's a real ass fuzz. I still have the plastic on this. So we're gonna contour. That was good, right? And then I feel like we should do a little bit of contour up here because duffels are like skinny. I grabbed 2 lashes that I think match. Do they match? Okay. Wait, they don't match, I feel. Huh? Do you know what that notification was? My hockey team losing terribly. Love that for them. Wipe off our black here. Jeffree has a white. Look at it! Go like this under the eyebrow. And then just like here and then here. Let's do a shot. And put a wig on. And we're gonna put the thing back here. Like that. It's not going on, so it's too wet. Me. Well, I look like a scary devil. Oh my god, I look good. So favorite devil movies, my top 3 favorite devil movies are number 1 is Devil, number 2 Insidious, and number 3 is probably Lil Devil. Wait, is that what it's called? It's like a comedy. I love comedy horrors. Please, do not drink and drive, please, please, please. And I'll put on the wig. I just don't like this part. Or what does the devil say? Okay, I bought this last year at, I'm not sure where. I'm sorry. Oh girl, she needs work. What the f is this, a tag? The lid was on. Always keep the lid on your alcohol. Okay, ready? Hairline, non-existent. Ow! I kind of look sick. Oh my god. Please comment your favorite devil thing under the comments down below. Let's do it. There we go. What's like a devil thing that I could do? Yeah, right. So that's like a pop of color. Also, this wig. I'm gonna add some of this. We're gonna add it like that. Oh no, I'm hiccuping. Now my friend, you know what she said? Devils have a beard. Where's my paper? Here it is. She said, take a piece of paper and fold it. Wait. Glue. Okay, so eyelash glue. We'll just see if it works. Does anyone else realize like eyelash glue smells like vagina? It's not gonna work. Devils have a beard, bitch. Some devils are beardless. We try to. Why does it smell so bad? Okay, this me as a devil. Ow! I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Love you. And if you go watch my Snapchat, you'll see what I'm doing on Halloween. Go right now because it's probably happening right now. I love you guys so much. I love you, love you, love you. Bye, guys.